Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you have a low volume problem on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If you have a problem with low volume, the first thing you should try is to check your volume settings. Make sure your media is set at appropriate volume. Alternatively, click on this arrow to see all of the volume settings, increase them as needed. You can also see this menu in Settings, Sounds and Vibration, and then Volume. In here you can see all of your volume settings, but if this isn't the issue, try cleaning the headphones you are using, or possibly just the speaker, which is visible right here on the right side. This series of holes is the speaker grill. Try cleaning it, do it gently though, as to not damage the speaker. Another option would be to try turning off Do Not Disturb mode if you have it enabled, which you may find sometimes in here. Yes, in here. Do Not Disturb. Turn it off and it should help your issue. If the issue still persists, try going into Settings, scrolling down to Software Update, and download updates manually. This will check if you have all the updates installed, because it might just be a bug related to not being up to date. But if it is all up to date, you might want to try and put into safe mode to check for app interference. To get into safe mode, simply power off your phone. Once it's powered off, power it back on by holding the power button and then hold the volume down button. You will have to hold it for a little while until preferably until the safe mode text appears in the bottom left corner. At that point you'll be able to stop holding the button, and yes, now of course turning the phone back on might take a while. Now once you are in safe mode, you can try checking your speaker, checking if sounds are being made properly now. And then once you want to exit safe mode, you can tap on this notification as it's talking to you, which will restart your phone, or alternatively you can also just restart the phone yourself by holding the power button and then tapping restart twice. This will again restart your phone and get you back into normal mode. Now if everything fails, you might have to go into a service station, a service center, to get your phone looked at. But if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.